Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word predictive. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The company uses predictive analytics to forecast customer behavior and improve marketing strategies. The term predictive refers to the ability to make predictions about future events or outcomes based on data analysis and statistical modeling techniques. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.